What's up, you guys? Welcome to my active PK review video. So this is a daily supplement you take. You take 2 supplements in the morning on an empty stomach. This is by LCR Health, and it's a longevity activator supplement. It promotes AMPK activation, the body's process of converting nutrients into usable energy. It has 60 capsules in here, so a 30-day supply. You do get a discount when you buy this, so there's no harm in trying it and you'll get your money back. Some of the ingredients include rice flour, vegetables, berberine, HCI root. So this is actually meant to promote weight loss, and I've been trying this for a bit. I feel like I'm less bloated, have more energy. It's a natural supplement I just started using from this brand, and yeah, like I said, there's a 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no harm trying it. You'll be buying this at a discount. I do have to try it for a longer period to give a full review. So far I like it. I have more energy, less bloated. I feel like my skin texture has improved. Like, it looks really nice in my hair, so I feel like it's helping with that. A lot of different vitamins. So I'll leave a link down below and you can try it out and see what you think for yourself.